After 50, stubborn belly fat and morning lower back stiffness can slow you down. You don't need exhausting workouts. This gentle morning Tai Chi therapy activates your deep core to burn visceral fat and gently decompresses your spine, leaving your back relaxed and body 10 years lighter. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Side tap with parallel arm extension. Tap your toes sideways while bending elbows to shoulder level. Then extend arms straight as you return. This gentle rhythmic stretch engages your deep core to target visceral belly fat while soothing tension across your upper and lower back. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Lunge with arm extension. Step one foot back into a gentle lunge, extending one arm straight forward while bending the other at your chest. Alternating sides strengthens your hips and lower back while firing up metabolism to melt stubborn abdominal fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Side tap with overhead arm reach. Shift your weight to one leg, tap the opposite toe out, and reach your arm high overhead. This deep lateral stretch lengthens your spine, decompresses stiff lumbar joints, and engages your waistline to trim visceral fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Half squat with elbow raise. Lower into a gentle half squat, bringing bent elbows to your chest. Then stand and lift elbows outward. This activates large muscle groups in your legs and back to maximize calorie burn while strengthening your lower back support. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Front heel tap with parallel arm open. Tap your heel forward with arms straight, then open them wide to the sides. This rhythmic motion gently mobilizes your pelvis, releases deep lumbar stiffness, and stimulates blood circulation to burn abdominal fat safely. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Torso twist with arm swing. Gently twist your torso, swinging one arm straight up while bringing the opposite bent arm near your cheek. This rotational movement deeply massages internal organs to reduce visceral fat and unlocks stiff lower back muscles. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Lunge with overhead palm press. Step one foot back into a gentle lunge. Interlace your fingers and press your palms straight up. This deep upward stretch elongates the lumbar spine to relieve lower back pressure, while engaging the core to melt visceral fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Side step knee raise with arm lift. Step to the side, lift your opposite knee up, and raise your bent arm in front of your chest. This rhythmic movement stimulates whole body circulation, activates abdominal fat burn, and strengthens the muscles supporting your spine. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Torso twist with half squat. Twist your upper body with arms reaching straight back as your gaze follows. Then return to center into a half squat. This gentle rotation wrings out deep lower back stiffness and targets deep belly fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Lunge flow with forward and backward reach. Hold a lunge, reaching arms straight forward with a slight bend. Then pull arms back as you gently lean back. This fluid wave motion mobilizes tight spinal discs and firms the deep abdominal wall. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Diagonal step with chest opening. Step diagonally forward, shifting your weight front while opening your chest and pushing arms straight out. Opening the chest realigns your spine, soothes mid to lower back tension, and boosts your daily calorie burn. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Side lunge with overhead lateral reach. Shift into a gentle side lunge, reaching one arm high and diagonally overhead to feel the stretch along your waist. This lateral bend melts stubborn side fat and releases tension trapped in your lower back. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Torso twist with alternating arm reach. Twist your upper body, reaching one arm straight behind while bending the other at your chest, alternating smoothly. This gentle rotational movement wrings out deep lower back stiffness while massaging abdominal organs to burn visceral fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Side bend toe reach with vertical extension. Stand wide, bending sideways to touch your foot, then counter bend reaching one arm high and the other down. This deep lateral stretch decompresses tight lumbar joints, relieves lower back strain, and trims stubborn side belly fat. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Alternating vertical arm reach. Stand with feet apart, reaching one arm straight up and the other straight down in an alternating rhythm. This opposing vertical reach gently elongates the entire spine to ease tension and stimulates the core to melt visceral fat. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Side lunge with circular arm flow. Cross your arms in a circle before your chest, shifting into side lunges as your arms trace wide, flowing circles. This dynamic flow restores pelvic mobility, unlocks stiff lower back muscles, and accelerates full body fat burn. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Side bend meridian rub. Bend to the side, gently rubbing one hand from your armpit down to your ankle and back up, alternating sides. This soothing meridian massage stimulates vital blood circulation, releases deep lower back stiffness, and calms the nervous system. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 18. Back kick with hand tap. Rest hands behind your back, gently kicking your heels back to tap your fingertips. This gentle movement strengthens lower back support muscles, opens tight hip flexors, and keeps circulation active to target abdominal fat. Wonderful job completing today's morning therapy. Your spine and body thank you. Which movement brought the most relief to your lower back today? Tell me in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and practice daily for a lighter, pain-free life.